Toriano, he hip escapes. I flip over, get my side control, and then I slide, get to my, and then I Kimura grip, lean to the side so it's easier to shave the head, fall back and over.
All right, show me full speed now, okay? You ready? I'll say it, you just go. One more time. Thank you.